While Russia expands its war industry at an unprecedented pace, the United States refuses to sit back. From quiet assembly lines to massive missile factories, America is now mass-producing one of its most feared battlefield weapons, the HIMARS, a weapon so precise it changed the course of wars. And now Washington wants more, a lot more. Over the past 2 years, the global defense landscape has shifted dramatically. Russia's massive rearmament program pushed the US and its allies to accelerate production of critical systems. For the United States, the answer came in 3 words: High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, or simply, HIMARS. Initially built in limited numbers for precision strikes, HIMARS proved devastating in Ukraine, destroying command centers, ammo depots, and armored columns with near-surgical accuracy. In 2025, Lockheed Martin launched a new industrial expansion, doubling the HIMARS production rate. New assembly lines, new suppliers, and an upgraded logistics chain were activated to deliver dozens of units per month. Each launcher carries 6 GPS-guided rockets capable of striking targets over 80 kilometers away, and when equipped with the upcoming precision strike missile, that range doubles to over 160 kilometers. The US Army's goal? Build a ready reserve strong enough to deter any future large-scale confrontation, from Eastern Europe to the Indo-Pacific. But this isn't just about numbers. America's push for HIMARS production symbolizes a strategic shift, a move from slow procurement cycles to wartime-level manufacturing speed. The Pentagon's new initiative, Building Defense at Scale, brings together both legacy giants and new tech startups to modernize supply chains and restore the industrial strength of the Cold War era. It's a clear message to adversaries: the United States will not be outdone by Russia in firepower, technology, or production capacity. The next generation of HIMARS is already in testing. Lighter, faster, fully digital, and ready for integration with autonomous drone reconnaissance systems. From Europe to Asia, Allied forces are also lining up to acquire HIMARS units, turning it into one of America's most exported and influential battlefield assets. The modern battlefield is no longer about who fires first, it's about who can sustain the fight. As global tensions rise, production lines keep rolling, day and night, forging the next generation of deterrence. America's message is clear: it will not be outpaced, and it will not be outgunned. If you found this analysis insightful, make sure to subscribe for more deep military breakdowns, from global defense strategies to the technologies shaping the next war. Stay sharp, and see you in the next briefing.